I get asked a lot of the times questions about why, like, why Yuma?
Well, that's an interesting question because this company was born here.
Yuma County has a long tradition of being an agricultural-rich region. It's responsible for 29% of the state's agricultural revenue, netting over $1.5 billion annually.
And even though we're in the desert, it's not a deserted place. The arid desert environment that we have is one of the best places to actually have construction. You can pretty much count on a sunshiny day looking at the sunniest place in the world.
We are a binational mega region, 1.8 million people, which can access over 52 million consumers within a one-day truck haul of manufacturing, aerospace and defense, food processing, logistics and distribution. And all those different areas really do create an economic base for our community.
I would like to talk a little bit about the workforce.
15 to 20% of our production workforce have dual citizenship or are on work permits.
The people in Yuma are very innovative, have a drive, they have desire. Truthfully, if there's a mountain, they're going to climb it. They just need the opportunity.
So the Colorado River is the lifeblood of water for Yuma. And that flows right through downtown. The fact that we grow over 90% of the leafy greens consumed during the winter is also a big draw, as it really developed into an agricultural superpower that it's become now. We have a lot of specialists who are focused on looking at these technologies and helping industry develop them.
We source directly from Yuma growers. We have the availability for resources, avoiding all the logistics costs because the fields are right here. Ship them to one of the biggest markets in the world in a really low cost.
Being close to the highway network here is really important for shipping.
I always say that we're kind of like in a logistically beneficial area to be in, right?
We're right in the center, 6 hours away from the major port of entry, which is Long Beach, 2 hours away from the Phoenix area.
More affordable gas prices, price per square footage for real estate.
Our commercial port of entry is 5 minutes away from us. We're situated in a location where distribution centers can be located without being in the state of California.
Instead of now manipulating and handling a part or a component that gets assembled into a product, somebody is using equipment that manipulates that part.
And our primary targets are large facades, which are insulated units on the facade of buildings, typically multi-story, mid-rise, high-rise.
If I'm looking at manufacturing capabilities just in general within the Yuma area, I think the opportunities are limitless, simply because I think the infrastructure is already there.
We don't struggle with attracting talent.
I think the number one advantage of being located here in Yuma is the workforce. They're going to give you 100% all day long.
At Arizona Western College, we have several different areas under the brand new entrepreneurial college that focuses on trades.
So we started with the Advanced Manufacturing Training Center. We need a lot of space for that. We want to have a space where companies can come in and utilize the space and work with our students as an intern as well.
That's the kind of training and education, things that really help develop those kinds of skills. It enhances the capability of the employee so much.
Which is awesome because that's the training we offer. If we don't provide for them, then we have no purpose for existence, really.
This is where our customer base is. There's opportunities here supporting the Marine Corps Air Station, the U.S. Army Yuma Proving Ground. It's a good central place to support Air Force contracts as well.
Located in the southwest portion of Arizona, we're really lucky that, one, we're able to do hot weather testing at sea level with clear skies, with the ability to pretty much function with no ceiling, which means no overhead for them to operate their aircraft 350 days out the year.
The arid desert environment that we have is one of the best places to actually have construction. And to have that variable out of the picture is very, very helpful.
And also the advantage of being located right in the heart in the city of Yuma.
The American dream still lives in Yuma County, and that's what inspires me to get up every day and work within this community.
Yuma chose me and now I chose Yuma. It's a great community to live. People are amazing. They care about each other.
There are a lot of families like myself here in Yuma, Arizona. My husband is a retired Marine. We decided to stay in Yuma because it's been such a great opportunity for all of us.
You don't have the stress of living in a big city.
You know, everybody says it's a town that sucks you in, and we joke that it is the biggest small town we've ever lived in.
US is a big thing in Mexico, and for most people, the ultimate goal is to come to this side of the wall.
The opportunity for growth. You're not limited.
You're always going to have the ones that are reaching for more, but you're guaranteed this workforce will show up for you. They will give it their all, and they're moving mountains.